Hey everybody, my name is Purple Firish, and today, it's been so long since I've done anything, I'm so sorry about that, but today we're doing an awesome Minecraft 1.5.2 tutorial. I know this isn't 1.6, but it hasn't come out, as you see, only 1.5.2, but anyway, let's get started. So, first link, I will put all these in the description. Sorry about that, I can't talk today, of course it's nighttime anyway. Let's not get off topic here. Let's start with going to dl.bukkit.org, clicking the recommended build, or beta build, I don't really care, it doesn't do much. Alright, wait for that to download, I'll be back in a second. Hey everybody, I'm back, and it's morning, I know. I just let my computer sleep, it was late at night. Anyway, I got it downloaded, and it took maybe 5 minutes, it should take you only 5 minutes. That's really it. So, let's move on here. Let's go to our desktop. This is, where's the, you probably don't care about it. What you want to do is you want to right click your desktop, new folder. Rename this whatever you want. For tutorial reasons, I'll make it tutorial. Sorry, I can't spell today. It's the morning, don't judge me. Okay. Anyway, now open that up. Oops. Open up your downloads folder. What the heck? Oh right, I deleted it by accident. I'll be back in a second. Fail. By the way, just a little note. The second time you download it, it's a lot faster. Just to let you know. Oh wow, look at that, it's done. Alright, let's continue where I left off. Alright, so I got it downloaded, pretty much. Any day now. 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 Sorry about this. Anyway, I just want to say, yes, this is 1.5.2. It's not 1.6 yet because it hasn't come out. As you can see, it has not come out. 1.5.2. Oh my gosh. This takes too long. Okay, but there we go. We got it. It's all done, so what you want to do is you want to go to your folder, sorry if I'm talking too fast, and just drag that in there, copying the items, and don't rename it yet, you're going to have to rename it later though, but double click it, it should take a couple seconds, it'll load a bunch of files for you. One note, it will not load the startup file, you're going to have to do that yourself. Anyway, next up is the start, or you want to rename this to just craftbukkit. On my last tutorial I did on my old channel, I had an error because I didn't explain this properly. You were supposed to rename this, and when I get the codes and stuff, I'll be back in a minute. Won't take me long, I just, gotta get the codes. Whoa. Okay, yep, I'll be back in a second. If it says listen, just I'll show you what to do in a second. Alright, so I came across this problem. I got the codes and stuff, but if you ever come across this problem, what you want to do is click cancel. It won't rename it. Press Control Alt Delete or go to your task manager. Don't worry, this does not harm anything in your computer. Just go to processes, and then click java.w.exe and click end process, and then you should be able to rename it perfectly fine. There. Alright. I will be back in a second once I pull up the correct page, and yeah. Alright, I'm back. I did not have to pull up a page, I was being stupid and all, but I just had to pull up Notepad and everything, and so what you want to do in Notepad is paste this code. I'll have it in the description. And paste that in there. Go to File, Save As. Now this part is really important. It's what makes it's what allows you to run your server. So find the server. Tutorials are, and then you want to save it in here. You want to do this to all files. And name this whatever you want. Start. Not how you spell start. Start. Launch. whatever you want to name it. I'm just gonna name it start. I always put the E there. Start.bat. It's basically a batch file. So then you save. You can exit out of this. And then you have your startup. So you can start the server with this. And next up, plugins. Plugins are like what make your server fun. So, alright, I'm at the homepage of the plugins for Bukkit. Now I'm not gonna go through any plugins or anything, but this is where you get your plugins. You could search up, say, mob disguise. Disguise crap, I don't know. Black scrubber. Okay. You search up the plugin, and there you go, and you got plugins, and then you drag them into you drag the .jar files into the plugins folder, and yeah. Sorry if this is all weird. I keep opening every wrong program. But you drag all the .jar plugin files into this plugins folder, right there, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to run your server. So just double click the start.bat file and let it load, and it'll say recipes, achievements, blah blah blah, and then it'll start generating stuff. Since I don't have any plugins, I can't really do too much of an example on Minecraft, but I'll get back to you when this is done generating. Alright, it's done generating, and I opened up Minecraft, yes. So what you want to do, port forwarding is the tricky part. I'm not going to go into that. You're going to have to look up a different video, because I don't want to expose any information, because I'm terrible at censoring stuff. Oh yeah, right, 1.5.2, I'll be back when I get 1.5.2, I did 1.6. Alright, I'm back, and everything says 1.6.2. And alright, so what you want to do, this would be the IP for my server currently, but of course for you it says can't reach server and you haven't port forwarded yet. So just do localhost and you'll come across an unedited description. I'll show you how to do that when I feel like it. I'm not going to go into full screen because it would lag too much, so I can't see a single thing. Okay. So yes, as I said, FPS drop like crazy. But we got your server, and you can change the maximum amount of players, because it through a certain amount of RAM. But let's see. So you can type all the commands with no permission overrides or anything. Game mode 1 and okay, there. And I am not creative, just from console. You can op people. You can kill people. Whoops, I did people. Wow. Oh man, I can only perform that as a player. Oh well. Well, you get the idea. Alright, and then if you just want to shut down your server, you type in stop. And it'll close the server. Man, there are a lot of cuts in this video. I'm sorry about that. It's just a lot of people are coming upstairs and I've made a couple mistakes, but oh well, everyone makes mistakes, doesn't matter. And so it'll bring you any key to continue, and you press any key to continue. Alright, so now configuration. I only got a minute to explain this, so here we go. So what you want to do is you want to open this server file, not the text document, and then open with Notepad or Word. So I did Notepad. So let's go into here, and we got another level name, etc. And forced game mode, false, level seed, blah 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 blah. Whitelist, that's like a reserved list for a certain amount of people. So I'm just gonna keep that false because I don't have enough time to explain. And then you can change the difficulty, as in easy, medium, or hard. I think it's medium. No, it's not. You can change the default game mode, adventure, creative. Texture pack, that does not work. Well, it works now, but it won't work in 1.6.2. Anyway, that is pretty much it for the video. And, like if you what am I thinking? Rate, what you thought. Comment any ideas, and I'll see you guys later.